Hey guys, and welcome again to this video. In this episode today, I'm going to show you how to add text in Shotcut. And the best part, it's going to be very easy and it's going to be a quick tutorial. Thanks again for coming. Right guys, after setting up your timeline and cutting and shifting around your images as well as your video, I want to show you how to do the text aspect of this tutorial. Right guys, after setting up your timeline and cutting and shifting around your images as well as your video, I want to show you how to do the text aspect of this tutorial. So first of all, to get through this easy as possible, a sure hack is by enabling two channels for video 1 and video 2. As you see below, you see V1 and V2. V2 being where we'll be putting our text for this tutorial, and afterwards I'll show how to customize it in any way you're gonna like. Afterwards, go into File, drop down, and you see Open Other. After saying Open Other, you'll see a list of other options coming up. There you shall see one called text. Afterwards, you click it and you get a display with entering for presets. Click OK and then you see our next operation happen. As seen on screen, you will see a dark border with stating edit your text using the filters panel. That's the instructions you'll be using. Afterwards, drag the same dark box onto V1, which is actually video timeline 1 or video timeline 2, how we have it, and afterwards start edit. Different formats such as preset text as well as different formats. Sure way I is used is when you put size using 920 by 1080. This was for the practice video I made, which was really for a work tutorial or a work seminar, and yeah, adjust accordingly. Also, you could hit the font to adjust your font and customize it as you like it. Enter the text. I'm gonna put in cell phone etiquette in the workplace. Using the font size, you'll get the exact size you use for the project, and you have to size around to see which one you want to use. Afterwards, just copy and paste by selecting V1 or V2 in your timeline and copy and paste where you want to put the various titles, and it's easy as that. You have titles in your video for your Shotcut YouTube videos or Instagram content. And now, have a wonderful day and see you on top. Oh guys, forgot to tell you, this is the shout out session here on my video. I like to build up a local Trini YouTuber. She does mom vlogs, that is Nels Island. Link will be in the description to check out the channel. Give her support, tell her I sent you guys here. Most of all, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the post notifications to be notified when I post videos. Post a video once a week, either Shotcut, filming tutorials, as well as other gear reviews. And most of all, be safe, and thanks again for being here.